what makes the House unique because we can handle all things all simultaneously. Diba? So, kaya naman yan. There are committees that are in charge of certain certain bills. Like in my case, I don't worry myself with the impeachment. My focus is this bill. So whether or not there are other things that the House would should focus on, the work. My primary consideration and my primary priority is that how to carry this over to the next stage, which is the committee report. So gusto ko lang kasi maging inclusive din yung proseso. Ibig sabihin, makuha natin yung posisyon ng bawat sektor. Kasi nga pinag-usapan natin dito pagpili ng leader election Ito yung pundasyon ng ating demokrasya. So lahat tayo dito apektado, no? Pagdating sa election, lahat tayo stakeholders. So ayaw ko lang din na hindi mabigyan yung pagkakataon. Maski man lang yung makuha natin yung position paper nila sa mga ibang sektor tulad ng business sector, yung mga LGUs and many other sectors. No? So, titingnan natin na kung mamarapatin ng ating mga committee. Anyway, just a simple lang naman submission ng kanilang position paper would be suffice for us to at least use also their points to as our basis to improve on whatever substitute bill that we can come up with.
Okay. Sir, yes po, Kong Lord.
I'm also confident that the House will be able to tackle these bills in a prompt manner. Because even though we are members of several different committees and some of us are also chairmen of different committees, my personal experience has been that we have always been capable enough to finish tackling these bills in a timely manner. So kaya natin gawin yun.